Hi, I'm Nick Hurst from Smart Videos, and I'm going to run through how to make top-notch training and induction videos for your business. Here at Smart Videos, we've been making explainer style videos for over a decade, from general induction videos to specific manuals on operating machinery, improving safety cultures, and using computer software. We've honed the most effective methods. In this video, we are going to show you some of our steps if you're looking to make these videos yourself. Let's dive in. First up, gear. Quality matters. Here's what I used. Canon R5 for quality footage, DJI Osmo for stabilized shots, Insta360 camera for immersive views, DJI Mavic Pro for drone footage, and Rode microphones for clear audio. You also need editing software for your computer. I use Final Cut Pro. Remember, the weakest link can affect your output. The right tools make all the difference here. Know your audience. Customize the content to match their experience level, the understanding of the English language. At Smart Videos, we tailor videos to keep your audience engaged and informed. Gather relevant materials. Gather all the relevant materials, training manuals, SOPs, safety guidelines. Outline what needs to be covered and mark critical safety info. We use a template to ensure nothing is missed during filming. Filming the process. Filming usually takes twice as long as the actual process. Discuss steps before filming to ensure safety and efficiency. Record an experienced operator and ask questions to clarify each step. Remind them that their voice won't be used in the final video to help them relax and focus. Emphasizing health and safety. Follow all protocols during filming, PPE, safety operations, everything. Any safety slip-ups set a bad example. Filming techniques. Good filming techniques are game changers. Use stabilizers, tripods, and wide-angle lenses for steady, clear shots. Stop and start the recording between steps for easier editing. Review and edit footage. Break it into steps.
Yep, real fast, that if anything flies out.
Add so text overlays and write out your voiceover script. Check your footage against SOPs. If something's off, consult your safety and operational staff. Recording the voiceover. Write clear, flowing scripts. Set up your mic and test recording levels. Hold the mic at a good distance to avoid peaking. Post-process the audio for clarity, then break your voiceover into the sections, adding animations and final touches. Add animations, call out, and visual aids. Aim for high quality so your viewers can learn independently. A well-made video minimizes the need for extra documentation and maximizes your team's efficiency. And that's the Smart Video Method. Follow these steps to create effective training and induction videos. If you need help or want a professional touch, contact Smart Videos. We have been perfecting this craft for years and are here to help you create outstanding training content. Thanks for watching. Please add in the comments any questions or anything you might want to ask.